So I'm using my Fenty primer. So I'm gonna just apply this. And this is the matte primer from Fenty. My hands are so ashy. Okay, so I picked up the Morphe Foundation at Ulta yesterday, and I'm so excited to try it out. I want to let you know though, I don't know if this is the right shade. This is the foundation here from Morphe. It's called the Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. I'm not sure if I picked up the right shade just because you couldn't really swatch it or anything in the store. You had to just look at the bottle and like go with the bottle, and it's a frosted bottle, so I feel like you can't really see the true color. It looks like a pretty decent matte. So this is Deep 33, by the way. So I'm gonna just apply it. It says it's a long-lasting, oil-free, natural finish foundation. It hydrates, blurs imperfections, and it has a soft focus look. This is not bad. The color description was slightly golden, so that's the one I went with. I feel like it has a little bit more red than I would have gone for, but let's just apply it all over and see how it looks. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is like a moisturizing ingredient. It has vitamin E and glycerin as well, so has some good stuff. This foundation is kind of like a collaboration with Makeupshayla as well, so I was really excited to try it. And I know that Janessa Marix was part of the creative process in like the campaign. This is what 33 looks like on me, so I definitely need to pick up a different shade. I'm just gonna focus on the actual finish of it. The coverage though I really like. I feel like it looks really beautiful. It's not thick at all. It's like really lightweight, but it's given a really nice amount of coverage. It has a nice clean smell too. Right now I have it at a medium coverage. It's not like full coverage yet, but I can see how it could be built up to full coverage. We need to pick up a better shade and try this again over the weekend. So we're gonna just go into concealer and try to balance out this color. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way, this one right here. I'm gonna try a different color, but today I guess I'll do the wear test of it maybe. I am gonna go to work after this, so yeah, it's another one of those 4 o'clock in the morning days. I'm gonna wear it and see how it wears throughout the day. I'm not sure how many shades they came out with, but I know there's quite a bit of shades, and I definitely have a better match for sure. My little drink here. These are so good, y'all. Like, screenshot it, go buy it. This flavor is really nice. I think with concealer it's gonna balance it out and match a lot nicer. Let's blend this in. Alright, so I cleaned up my brows a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting powder, my Dermablend powder today. This one is in Warm Saffron, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eye. So I'm gonna use some eyeshadow from one of the Colourpop palettes. So I am gonna carve out my cheeks under here a little bit, add some definition. I think the color looks pretty like balanced with the concealer and everything, so I'm happy about that. But overall, like, I'm actually really liking the finish of this foundation. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my eye makeup, you guys. So these are the 3 eyeshadow palettes from the Colourpop collection, but they look really pretty, and I wanted to use this one today just because it looks so pretty, but I feel like it might be a little much for work. Maybe I'll just use Cutie, this one here, and then this one here today, and then I could add this color like over the weekend so you guys can see. This color right here, it's so pretty. Like, I definitely want to use it today. Do you see how pretty this looks? Yes, I need to get my nails done, but here's the thing, okay? I'm going in with Cutie, which is the light pink, and I'm using the little mirror that was sent with this package. The Colourpop products were sent to me, so I'm not really sure if this comes with the collection. I'll have to check on the website. So I'm going in with the like pastel pink color. So I'm gonna just blend it into my eyelid. I need to do my nails so badly, but my birthday is in a couple weeks. I'm gonna do a little staycation the weekend before. This is gonna go down next weekend. So if I did my nails last weekend, it would be like way too long to have them on. Me switching up my nails after only 1 week. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just do them this weekend instead. That way it would only be like 1 week of having them on. Nobody probably cares, but just thought I would let y'all know. I always like baby pink colors like this. They just look so like Barbie-ish. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of the hot pink. I couldn't resist. Like, I know I'm going to work, but it's called LOML, and I feel like that stands for something, but I probably am too old to know what it stands for. So I'm just gonna blend this in. This one has glitter, so you could probably use it on your eyelid as well. This is pretty. Like, you don't need a lot either, because I definitely just use a little touch of it, and I got a lot of color there. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter color just to lighten things up a bit. I'm going in with my Boo on this little flat brush. I'm gonna spray it with my little setting spray just because it's gonna help it stay on better. I'm just gonna pat it. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm definitely wearing this on my birthday. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, y'all. If you get anything from this collection, definitely get this palette. You need it. This is it. This is so pretty. This is such a pretty color. Wow, this is so pretty. You could always add more to make it more of a statement, but I'm trying to keep it low-key. Kind of impossible with this, but if you add that hot pink under there, that's a whole nother look. Little Valentine's Day birthday glam. Clearly I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath mascara to just add my lashes in. I'm gonna use these lashes from Amazon today. These are super extra, but I feel like I need this for this look, so I'm gonna throw these on. So I did my lashes. I'm gonna just press in the rest of the setting powder into my skin. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury spray and just spray my face a bit. Just go back in and press it in. We're gonna move on to blush now, and I have these blushes. These are so cute. These are the little blushes from the Colourpop collection. They're so cute. This one is called Love Me Not. This is a beautiful pink color. And then they also sent me another. I'm gonna use one of these two today just because I think these would look perfect with this look. Probably this one, I think. But I want to show you guys the other color as well. This is called Kiss and Tell. Pretty light. This is it here. It's a little bit lighter. It's a really pretty color as well. Before I do that, I'm gonna just bronze my face up a bit with my Fenty bronzer. This is Cocoa Naughty. I'm gonna add some of that to my cheeks and bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in with this blush. Looks so pretty. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Okay, so it's definitely super pigmented, as you can see. It's really pretty and like it's really nice for my complexion. Okay, Colourpop, I see you with this little collection, whatever. So I actually picked up a Colourpop collection last week, I think it was. It's their like bronzy collection. I got it in the mail and it looks so beautiful. I definitely cannot wait to use it. But this collection showed up to my house and I put that one right to the side. I was like, I gotta get to this because this looks so beautiful. Like I wanted to use it first. The collection also comes with this stamp. It's a heart, so you can use this on your face or whatever. I think it would be really cute for like Callie. I would definitely put this on her for like Valentine's Day. So it's like a little heart stamp. That's super cute. See that? So you can just put it like right here if you wanted to. Callie's my daughter, in case you didn't know. So let me show you guys the highlighter. This is from Soul Body. My highlighter is in shambles. I can't really show you guys, but for me, it would just be more of an eyeshadow, I feel like, or on the body, but on the cheek, I think it would be like a little bit too silvery. I usually go for more goldish, like champagne-y colors. So that's just kind of what it looks like in case you were wondering. All right, so I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow real quick and put some color into my inner corner. I just realized I didn't do any like pop of color, and I always like to use a pop of color. I'm gonna use the first shade called Awe. I'm just gonna pop that right in here. This color is actually very similar to the highlighter. That's the first color in this palette, 143. I'm ready for Valentine's Day, okay? Like, send me my flowers. I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter. This is from Juvia's Place, but I'm literally just using a little tiny touch of it because I haven't been really doing a lot of cheek highlighter lately. I've just been doing a little nose highlight. I feel like cheek highlight is slowly fading away for a lot of people, including myself. So I've just been doing like nose and a little bit up here. I'm gonna line my lips with this Mented lip liner, and it's like a brown shade. All right, and I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna use this color from Fancy. It's the cream lip gloss in Mauve Wives. Is it called that? Yeah, it is called that. I'm like, wait, is this? So this is the entire look. I don't know what to do with my hair today, so it's like in this fake ponytail situation. I love feminine, girly, pink things. So this collection has my name written all over it. Like, yeah, I definitely love everything. I didn't show you guys this oil actually. This is the Shimmering Dry Oil, which you can use on your body. Yes, for body. So let me just show you guys that really quick. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is so beautiful. I didn't show you guys earlier, but wow, this is so pretty. I love body oils. This one is, ooh, so pretty, and it has a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna wear the foundations today at work. I'm gonna see how it wears throughout the day. I really like the finish so far, so let's just see how long it lasts on my skin type. I know some of you guys will tell me you love it, so I'm really like excited to see how it works. I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so it's been about an hour since I had the foundation on. I wanted to give you guys my first little hour update. So far it's going well. It's been an hour, so what can I really say? I'm gonna get ready for work though, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna take these lashes off. There's no way I could possibly go to work with these lashes on. I literally have 10 minutes to get ready. Like, wow, let me get my life together. Hey guys, so it's been 3.5 hours, like 3 hours and 40 minutes. I wanted to give you guys a little update. I think the foundation still looks really good, especially for something with hydration in there. My skin sometimes reacts a little funny. I wasn't sure how my skin would take it, just because sometimes hydration is interpreted as dewy on my skin type. But so far it's looking really good, so I just wanted to let you guys know. Still loving it. But I was wearing a mask. I'm in the room by myself, just so in case you're wondering. I did wear the mask for about 2 hours. I commuted today on the train and in the car as well. I took an Uber. So it's been 8 hours, and I feel like that's a full day of wear. So I'm gonna just end the wear test here so I can edit this video. It's just under the mask. It did come off in some spots. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.